How to make TikTok videos. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without singing time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Now sign in into your account. Now once you sign in, simply tap on the plus icon. Now select the duration of your videos. If you want to upload the video, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom right corner. Now upload the video you want to upload. Select the video and tap on next. Or if you want to record the video, tap on the record button and record the video. Now once you're done, simply tap on the tick icon. Now if you want to edit the video, you can add stickers, effects, and many more. Now once you're done, simply tap on next and tap on post. Now the next method is simply go back, tap on the plus icon. If you want to upload videos or make videos from templates, simply tap on templates. Now select the template you want to use. Now tap on try this template. Now select photos or videos and tap on next. Now wait for some time. Again tap on next and click on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.